Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to find your login and logout activity by date on Facebook using your PC. This feature is particularly useful for monitoring account security or reviewing past activity. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, head to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook keeps a record of various actions associated with your account. Next, scroll down and locate the Security and Login Information section. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Logins and Logouts. Click on it to access the detailed history of your login and logout activities. At the top of the page, you'll notice a filter option labeled Date. Click on this to specify the time period you want to review. You can choose a custom range by selecting the start and end dates that interest you. Once you've set your desired period, click Save Changes. Facebook will now display all login and logout activities within the selected time frame, including timestamps and other relevant details. That's it. You've successfully accessed your login and logout activity by date on Facebook. This tool is a great way to ensure your account security or simply keep track of past sessions. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it.